ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕೋಣ.
ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿ
ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರೀತೆ ತನಕ ಹಾಂ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಶ್ರೇಯ ಸರ್
ನಾನು ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಗ್ರೂಪಿಗೆ. ಬಂದಿಲ್ವಾ? ಬಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಫ್ರೆಂಡಿಂದ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಫೋಟೋ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಲೈವ್.
ನೀನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸರ್? ಒಂದು ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ವಿಡಿಯೋನು ಫೋಟೋ ಎರಡೂ. ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಲೈವ್
What is that? What is that? What is that? Helicopter. This one? Helicopter. You can speak without mic longer. Again from first.
Ma'am, it is with Kavana.
Very good.
Sir, ತಾಳಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸರ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೈತೆ ಸರ್ ಲೈವು ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಜ್ವರ ಕೇಳಿಸಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗಜಿ ಗಜಿ ಅಂತೀರ ಕೈ ನೋವು ಗಜನ್ 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 ನಾನೇ ಬಾರೋ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ That's it. ಫ್ಲಾಶ್ ಹೊತ್ತಿ ಹೊತ್ತಿ ಮಾಡುವ ಇವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮುಂದೆ
ಬಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊ ಬರಲ್ಲ
ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಬಂದವ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು ನೋಡ್ತಿರೋದು. ಪಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದ್ದ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
Students now participating in the activity, can you please pay attention here? Please come for this side, for this side. Wherever you are seated, come for the stage. Thank you.
The essence of science, independent thinking, hard work, and non-excellence. Said by Sir C.V. Raman. With this beautiful saying, I would like to extend my warm welcome to everyone listening. A pleasant morning to one of our present here. I am Vaishnavi S. standing before you as the host of this inaugural program, Next Innovators Expo. Wishing you a bright and innovative science day. May your curiosity never fade and let's celebrate the power of knowledge and pursuit of understanding. It's a day to celebrate the wonders of science and its contribution to our society. It's our pleasure to have you all for this event. We are extremely honored to have our chief guest, Dr. Sandhya Michael Ma'am and Dr. Balasubramania Ma'am with us today. We would like to take a moment to acknowledge their remarkable achievements and to welcome you all for this program. I would like to call Deepana Gayatri. The science of today is technology of the world. Good morning everyone, I'm Deepana S. It's an immense pleasure to welcome you all on behalf of our school management for Next Gen Innovators Expo. This is an opportunity to connect, share ideas and make lasting memories. Let's make the event successful. Firstly, I would like to extend a warm welcome to our esteemed guest, Dr. Sandhya Ma'am. Michael Mann has completed a doctoral degree from Department of Life Science, Bangalore University, Bangalore in the year 2016. Mann post-graduation was from Department of Silviculture, Bangalore University with a distinction and a first rank for which Mann received the gold medal in the year 2006. Mann also valued Professor G. Boraya endorsement and Karnataka Silk Marketing Board Award for scoring highest marks in MSc. Mann is also a recipient of late LG Krishnan Endowment Award in 2005 and 2006. A postgraduate diploma in intellectual property right law from National Law School of India in the year 2011. Add to our credits. Mann has cleared CSIR, UGC, NET exams and secured 193 out of 778 rankings in the subject Life Science. And was in Junior Research Fellowship and CSIR Fellowship Scheme in 2011, which was later upgraded to Senior Research Fellowship in new course in 2013. Mann's contribution in the field of science is appreciable, which can be primarily noticed through 13 scientific publications in international journals and involvement in the conferences as well as seminars. Mann has received INSC Young Achiever Award in the year 2021 for Mann published research work entitled Heat Shock Proteins as a defense mechanism in weight cut and lymphocytes of complex body. Largely subjected to various stresses. Mann's field of interest are stress physiology and dietary antioxidants. At present, Mann is working as assistant professor in the Department of Life Science. This man is taught at the undergraduate level for a couple of years before going to industry. Ma'am returned to research in 2011 and then to active teaching at the Department of Life Science, Bangalore University in 2017. Ma'am currently at the NMKRE College for Women Bengaluru, where she taught teaches students of PG biotechnology and guides them in their dissertation projects. She has published several research papers in peer-reviewed journals and has written popular science articles for Deccan Herald as well as their student edition. Thank you. Next, I would like to welcome our respected principal, Srimati Ranjana ma'am. I welcome you, ma'am. And vice principal, Srimati Nadima ma'am. I welcome you, ma'am. Next, I would like to welcome pre-primary in charge, Bhargavi ma'am. I welcome you, ma'am. Next, I would like to welcome our supporting and guiding in charges and beloved teachers. I welcome you, teachers. Nextly, to our participants, I would like to express my gratitude for your presence and contribution. I welcome you all for this program. Thank you. Thank you all. Your presence has made our program even more special. Again, I welcome you all. As we begin with this momentous occasion, we seek to light to illuminate our path and guide us towards knowledge, wisdom, and enlightenment. I hereby request all the dignitaries to kindly cooperate the program.
Prithvi.
A heartfelt thanks for
Hey,
everyone
come
for
bro.
being with us in this day.
ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ ಏನದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡು
Beautiful sketch and management. We should
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಐತೆ
not
ಬಾಳ
step by
Prithvi.
step a teacher program. This code emphasizes the positive potential of science and the importance of using it responsibly. Now, I would like to request our global chief guest,
ಸರ್
say a
ಸರ್
few words
ಸರ್
and
ಇಟ್ಕೊಂತೀರಾ
share your
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್
valuable
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
insights on this
ಸರ್
gathering.
ಒಂದು 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್ ಇಬ್ಬರೇ ಲೈವ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನೀವೇ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ
Respected Vice Principal, esteemed guests, teachers, parents and dear students. It's my good morning for the health sector. It's my immense pleasure to participate in next year innovator expo conducted by Sri Chaitanya Techno School. I'm excited to see the big innovative way that guided the lab as well. This expo has been celebrated as a part of another important day in the history of science, that is Science Day, which is celebrated every year on February 28th. This day marks the discovery of Brahmalandar by the great Indian scientist Sir C. Raman and on February 28, 1928. And his discovery, he got Nobel Prize in Physics, which got a global recognition program and made India proud, and it was an inspiration for the generations of science to come light. On this National Science Day, we also just trying to find the role of science on the global challenges. And so science helps us to find solutions to the problems, as well as help us to explore the mysteries of the universe. You, as the students, are impressed by the creativity and the innovation what you all have and has been what you are executing over your life. So science is not just about remembering the facts or memorizing the facts, but it's all about exploring, discovering, as well as questioning it. Whether it's a small or a big discovery, it's all based on or the basis for it is just question. So the scientific gentleman or the scientific skill of questioning will help you to reach into a greater discovery life. So it's again, the science is not just within the laboratory lab. We have science in our everyday life, like starting from the study of stars in the sky, or to the complex molecules in the body, or even in the kitchen when your mom sorting onion, she adds a little salt. Like how you think about this and like that, add a little salt over there to increase the salting or reduce the time of the salting. There also is a science which is behind the exhaust process back. So we need to apply the science in everyday, day-to-day life, and of course for that, the creativity, questioning, exploring, and innovation is required in life. As a student, what I have to say to you is your creativity and the initiative for exploring it can lead to the discovery which can change the future of the world. On this account, I also added one of the importance for the science education lab. We need to encourage most students to take up the careers in science, engineering, technology, mathematics, etc., so that we can find out the innovative or find out solutions for science problems so we can shape the world in a better way in the coming years. Maybe I will stop it. It's something like, let us take this opportunity to cultivate our passion for now and passion for science. Okay, and let us embrace living innovations with open-mindedness, curiosity, levels, allowed to, we should be curious and creative enough for embracing the new innovations and making a better world in the coming future. I extend my thanks to, and I would like to thank the principal, vice principal, the management of St. Saitanya for giving me this opportunity. I also would like to thank special thanks to Amuruma who considered me and have invited me over here. Of course, thanks to all the students and the teachers for listening patiently. Thank you so much. Let me conclude. May we all be inspired to find out discoveries or our own discoveries and add on to the world on knowledge and thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now it's the time to turn up for energy. Let's the magic unfold. Get ready to be amazed as we have a dance performance ready. Here are grade 6 and 7 students with a graceful performance.
Welcome to the world of play.
Science for us, I mean, do you like these 5 minutes on period table?
Restricted not opening the video from other mobile.
Sadisha.
There is Gagan.
Sir Gagan. So maybe this is an experiment.
You know,
Sir, I don't know.
later we can see after that. First.
Sir, connect.
You are celebrating this exhibition in honor of Science Day, right? And do you know what the theme of this 2025
You see, I know this attitude very well because I teach biological sciences. Most of my students have taken biological sciences because they wanted to run away from physics and math. Good idea, no? You do biology if you don't want to do physics and math. But no, actually biology is the subject where you use everything. Chemistry, math, physics, everything comes in. Do you think your body will be able to work if we didn't understand the chemistry behind things? No. Your hands and legs, it involves mechanical properties, right? That is physics. The way your eye works, that is physics. And then you come to the math part of it. This is actually very important because if we don't understand number theory, ground theory and all that, we won't be able to do your experiments correctly. Okay? So now let's talk about doing experiments since we are talking about doing science. You all have done experiments in the lab? No? You have done. Do you enjoy doing experiments in the lab? Do you find it is better than attending the classes? Right? So that is the thing. Anything to do with science, if you perform an experiment, you will like that better. You will understand it better. And you know why we make people do experiments? Why we make students do experiments? For three things. One, that they understand how to follow one protocol. That is, to do something step by step. Okay? Second, to record what they have done properly. Third, and this is very important, to observe whatever your results are. Okay? So when you do an experiment, you will make some observations. Remember, observations can never be wrong. So what is wrong? Your inference. That means what you understand from those observations, that can be wrong. Okay? So remember that if you want to do science, there are these three steps you have to follow. You have to know how to do things step by step. You can't just take a chance, thought in the dark. No, it doesn't work like that way. Go step by step, logically. Second, remember that you have to record whatever you are doing. Every good scientist knows how to keep a good record. So when your teachers ask you to write practical records, they are not troubling you for just the sake of troubling you. They are training you to write your experiments correctly, to write your observations correctly. And the third and final thing is to know how to observe and write down your records properly. And then from that you have to make your correct inference. That means you have to come to a correct conclusion. Okay? So, why am I telling you this? I am telling you this because most of you may or may not take science. Right? In your PUC, you might choose to go for something else. But those of you who are going in for science, you can train yourselves to observe. Okay? The power of observation is the best thing for anybody, whether you want to be in science or no. Remember that when you observe something carefully, you will be able to make out and connect a lot of unrelated things. You know, when we are 5 years or something, we are doing these exercises to join the dots. So we join the dots and it becomes a dinosaur. Or we join the dots and it becomes some bird or something. In science, when we want to make discoveries, we do exactly this. We join the dots. To join the dots, you need to do a lot of reading, but you also need to do a lot of experimentation. If you know how to do these two things, you will be able to innovate. That means you will be able to come up with something new. Right? So, when we talk about innovation, We don't need replication or duplication. Innovation does not mean something is done in the US and we are going to do it over here on the same place. No. Think on your own. Think out of the box. You are all capable of coming up with new ideas. Think. What you need to do is use what is there and then improve or that according to what you know has to be done for the country. Because what we need in India, they will not need in the US. So when you do innovation, think about the country, do it for the country, and then the rest will fall into place. So now, what has started this process, your teachers are going to start this process by making you all come up with models to understand science. It's a great idea. Once you have done that, you know that this is the property of the paper you need to know. This is how you connect all the materials and this is how you will actually go ahead and make it that. Now you can think of bigger things because you are the next gen innovators. Right? So, what I would like to say, just to conclude is, the work of doing faster. Pasteurization, pasteur effect, everything. You know, we pasteur started out quite young as a scientist. The first thing he did was a chemist. He found out about isomerism in organic chemistry, so the E and N isomer. But then he also discovered how to make vaccines for anthrax, and then he made the rabies vaccine. The interesting thing is, when he was in his mid-40s, Pasteur had a stroke. So a stroke is when there is a clot in your brain and then you lose the function of some part of your body, left side or the right side of your body. He was paralyzed on one side, but he still went ahead and did an experiment and made the rabies vaccine. I would like to end with this one quote from him, which is, "Chance favors the prepared man." He said this is very famous, he's a French man, but be prepared for anything. Don't have prejudice that something must work in a particular way. Nothing works according to plan, not in your life. Okay? So just remove the planning part of various things so that it doesn't prejudice you. Your results should be unprejudiced, but you should also be very prepared to look at everything in an unbiased manner. That means you should be prepared to take anything that comes up in your stride and deal with it. Because of this attitude that starts with a prepared mind, you will keep saying, "Oh, but somebody said this can't happen, someone else said this can't happen." You need to say something, but if you see that particular thing is happening, no, it's not perfect. Your observation can never be incorrect. There is a way of interpreting it. Okay? So just remember, those of you who are going to get this side, those of you who are not going to get this side, build your power of observation and then the world will be yours. Okay? Did you get what I said? You like watching murder mysteries, detective serials, you read those kind of books. No? You watch movies where you have some mystery, where there is a detective who will solve a mystery. You do. And God. Otherwise, I thought everybody is living in a fantasy world of Harry Potter and Percy Jackson. No. Harry Potter and Percy Jackson are okay, but the actual things that happen in the world are all mysteries, and you can use the power of observation to solve those mysteries. Okay. So let you should build a house of observation. And that way you should identify where you can innovate and where you can come up with something that is going to help the country. Okay. So with this, I would like to thank all of you for hearing me now. I hope you all found what I have said for some values. And I will also, I feel that maybe you all need to look at something other than your school textbooks in order to learn more about your subjects. The internet is there, but sometimes the internet gives you wrong information. If you are confused, ask your teacher. They are the best people to tell you where to get the correct information. So remember, you will just go ahead, not accept things for what they are, don't go by the influencers, anytime they are not right. So just because you follow somebody doesn't mean that they are right. Don't do that. Think on your own. Start thinking on your own by making your own observations. So with that, I'd like to conclude. Thank you for your patient hearing. Thank you, ma'am, principal, vice principal, and I have to give an extra thanks to Ambuduma, who has been a student for 5 years. So you know him quite well, and I'm very proud of you. I'd like to thank you. Thank you.
Once a wise man said, science, if you believe it or not, but it's reality. Science is a way of thinking much more than it is a body of knowledge. As a token of our appreciation and respect, we would like to present a small memento by honoring our chief guest. I request our chief guest to come forward and accept our humble gesture of appreciation. I request our principal ma'am and vice principal ma'am to honor our chief guest. Before moving ahead to witness our National Innovators Expo, I take this opportunity to thank all the lecturers I call upon participate. Learning is a pressure that follows us everywhere and ever us. Through this course, I, Sami Shakir of 9th and 2 MPL, would like to take this opportunity and express a heartfelt gratitude
सर
to each and
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
every
ಸ್ಟೇಜ್
one
ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ
who
ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ
made
ಆ್ಯಂಕರ್
this event
ಸರ್ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಂಕರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ
First and foremost, I would like to extend our sincere gratitude to our esteemed Dr. Sandhya Michael ma'am and Dr. Vishwa Balasubramanian ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Your presence has added immense value to our gathering, and we are honored to have you with us. Now, I would like to thank our beloved principal, Srimati Lakshmana ma'am, and dear vice principal, Srimati Navina ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for providing us a platform for us to use our talent. Next, I thank our high school deans, Rajesh sir and Raghu sir, FL in charge, Abu Kumar sir, C1 in charge, Kavala ma'am. Thank you for guiding us and correcting our mistakes. Then, I thank our pre-primary zonal coordinator, Bhargav ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Next, I would like to thank all our dear teachers for their constant effort and for training us in every way possible. Thank you, teachers. Further, I thank the real heroes of today's event and everyone who has participated. Thank you for your active participation and engagement. Once again, thank you everyone.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಎಂದು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಂದು ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನಾದರೂ ತರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಸರಿ ಏನು ನಡೆಸಿರಿ ಇವಾಗ ಸರಿ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡೋ
Hey, you just see the ambience of it. No,